before the seasons changed, before I grew too wise, I watched the passing clouds in search of meaning in the skies. I read between the lines, but the verses lost